we're going to do. Alright, give it up for the high class dancers right now. And pick up on the set right now. What's it going on the show? Exciting. Exciting. I got them exciting. 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 Watch out. Exciting. Exciting. Excited. Alright, give it up for the high class dancers right now. And it's still running on the top. On the top. Original. Original. What do you have to say about high class skankers?
Unlimited.
Unlimited. Sorry. My apology. Unlimited skankers. Now skanking we go.
Yeah, unlimited scammers. And I'm part one.
What kind of energy?
Around, yeah, man. So whenever I enter like other dancing competition and otherwise and stuff and things. You know, on the full of talent, big up on yourself, love on I represent for Portmore. Because you have the whole heap of skanker really represent for Portmore. You see me? So you don't know, big up on yourself, unlimited skanker. You know the thing, I'm fully support all of the skanking. You know, we all out and support skanker any which part. You see me, because skanker and some of the youth them will send me a road to you over the
Right, that's
radio. Ever big up all our skanker.
We can't talk about that.
We don't doubt no talent and feel like no talent is less than any talent. From a talent, you're talented, brother.
Right.
You see me, so big up on yourself, you know. The next round, you know, say, when I skanker, so now go fall audience. Because when I DJ, so now go fall out in some kind of ears and some kind of, you know, rookie type of something, and a bag of thing. So you know, but the performance well, Aroma.
Yeah, but that energy that we don't forward out with, after everybody feeling the energy. You know what I mean? Me myself, I can feel that excitement that we go on a while ago. I like it. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, big up on yourself, unlimited skankers. Boy, me I tell you, Nero excited about that performance there a while ago, you know. What excited? Hey, Nero.
You see, because I know exactly where it's coming from.
Hey,
I don't know what to say. I don't know what to say right now. Because there's nothing more for me to say, but before I even say what I want to say big up to my beautiful daughter, Soshana, who is online right now watching live, and Gavin and Farm Estate in the place, you know what I mean? But unlimited. I don't know when I get my vote already, you know, everybody in the crowd can sound it big, so I mean, you have to be the credentials, and what is doing the season must be the season, right? So we have to make them say here, unlimited. So big up Soshana once again, you know what I mean, Gavin and State Farm also.
Alright, give it up for the dancers, football, skankers right now, unlimited. Alright, big up on the set.
100% talent, Jamaica.